It's now generally recognized that comprehensive, up-to-date specifications are essential to provide better protection against building failures, claims for extra cost, and allegations of negligence. But achieving them is becoming increasingly arduous and difficult. There's more and more pressure on specifiers who have to juggle with many types of ever-changing information, cope with clients' demands for higher standards, whilst meeting production deadlines. Even in the best-run offices, it's difficult to ensure that the experience and expertise of the whole office is brought to bear on every project. And of course, information needed to complete specifications is rarely at hand. NBS services and REBA services can now provide the most advanced solution ever offered. It's called Specification Manager. This new system combines the National Building Specification and REBA Product Selector with a unique and revolutionary software system created by the Department of Architecture at the University of Newcastle upon Tyne. Specification Manager not only provides a wealth of information, but more importantly, enables you to manage specification production in a way previously impossible. It does the juggling for you. So let's take a look at what it has to offer. Finding the right specification and work sections couldn't be easier. Using the mouse, you simply click on the section you want. If you don't know what section you want, Specification Manager will find it. Project specifications can be based on work sections taken from the standard intermediate or minor work versions of NBS, or from Office standard specifications, or even from other projects. Making decisions is equally easy. NBS provides a wealth of common sense guidance, general guidance, clause guidance, references. Clauses are simple to select or delete by pointing and clicking with the mouse. And new clauses can be created from scratch or by copying and modifying. Project-specific information is added by typing or copying and pasting from guidance notes. Managing NBS updates is revolutionized in Specification Manager. Simply insert the update disk, use the pointer to select the appropriate command, and the system does the rest. All affected clauses in current project specifications will be flagged, allowing you to accept or reject the amendments. If you need information about products, look no further than Specification Manager Product Selector. Details of manufacturers and their products directly relevant to a particular clause are immediately accessible from the specification. Of course, that product selector can be used at any time and independently of the specification. You can find details of manufacturers, product names, including third-party certification of fitness for use, and you can search by CISFB reference or by keyword. If you need further information, Specification Manager will automatically generate inquiry letters to as many manufacturers as required. True to its name, Specification Manager is a breakthrough in the field of project information management. The key features are the ability to create and update Office standard specifications and guidance notes. In this way, the Office can control the content of project specifications and ensure the effective dissemination of feedback. The ability to control, by means of personal identification, who is allowed to edit Office standard specifications and who is allowed to view only. The ability to monitor usage. Specification Manager records every change that's made, so that at any time it's possible to see what's been done, when, and by whom. Now let's look at a simple example to illustrate how these advanced features can be used in production. The Office has a housing project called St. Peter's Basin. We've already started section F30, which is based on the Office standard housing specification. We open the guidance window and position it to run side by side with the clauses. Cavity wall insulation is to be specified. Specification Manager has found some clauses for us from its database, 150 and 151. We want to use a polyurethane board as partial fill, so delete clause 150 and select 151, which is an Office-modified NBS clause. Not only has the clause been changed, but there's also an Office guidance note. This note lists 5 products approved by the Office for use on housing projects and states the reasons: CFC-free and agreement certified. Such lists make the completion of clauses much easier. Simply copy and paste the selected text. Moving on, rejecting clauses not required for this project, we come to the clauses for wall ties. We wish to specify a non-standard tie, so delete clause 210 and choose 220. A suitable product is yet to be selected, so now we take advantage of the link with Product Selector. All of these products are relevant to this clause, but more information is needed, so we select a few and send inquiry letters to the manufacturers. Specification Manager automatically fills in the details, including the project reference. Returning to the clause, we add a memo as a reminder for the future. Then the clause is placed on hold. More clauses are deleted until we come to bitumen damp-proof courses. The clause is to be modified because we prefer not to name a manufacturer. So we copy it and delete the original. We can now remove the unnecessary line. The British Standard classes for damp-proof courses are listed in the clause guidance note. It's a simple matter to copy and paste in the one required. If further information is needed from the British Standard, Specification Manager will take us to the relevant entry in the list of reference documents for this section, where we find the Reba microfiche reference. As you can see, even someone with minimal typing skills can produce specifications easily and efficiently. Printing drafts and final versions of project specifications is taken care of by Specification Manager. A range of standard formats covers most needs, but you can customize the output if you wish. The system will paginate and date to standard settings or to your requirements. No additional word processing software or skills are needed. So you can see the benefits of Specification Manager in every type of office. Fast and accurate production of project specifications at the workplace, sophisticated management of the technical content, direct access to product details relevant to the problem in hand. To use Specification Manager, you'll need a PC computer running Microsoft Windows 3, which provides the colorful graphic environment. You should also have a mouse and a printer supported by Windows 3. Full details of the technical requirements are given in the Specification Manager literature. Specification Manager is available on annual subscription, which includes updating and software support. As your needs and those of the industry change, Specification Manager will anticipate and respond. We have a strong continuing development program that will shortly provide a drawings annotation facility, links to computer-aided design systems, technical standards, building regulations, legislation and advisory documents on CD Rom, to give you the option of referring directly to them while preparing specifications. Versions of Specification Manager for Unix and Macintosh. Specification Manager, the most advanced solution ever offered to specifiers. Now you and your office can handle specification information and production more effectively.